Welcome back to the Smart Start Squad. Today, we're exploring the captivating world of preschool cognitive development. Our focus for this video is on developing problem-solving and critical thinking skills, essential abilities that set the stage for lifelong learning and success. Let's embark on this cognitive adventure together.
Problem-solving skills are crucial for preschoolers as they navigate through various challenges and tasks. By developing these skills, they learn to think critically, analyze situations, and come up with creative solutions. Let's explore some effective strategies to foster problem-solving abilities in preschoolers. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze, evaluate, and interpret information effectively. Encouraging critical thinking in preschoolers involves asking open-ended questions, engaging in thought-provoking discussions, and providing opportunities for decision-making and problem-solving. Engaging preschoolers in hands-on activities is a fantastic way to promote problem-solving and critical thinking. Activities like puzzles, building blocks, and sorting games challenge their cognitive abilities, encourage logical reasoning, and foster creativity. Connecting problem-solving skills to real-world scenarios helps preschoolers understand the practical application of their cognitive abilities. Encourage them to solve age-appropriate problems, such as finding solutions to everyday challenges or completing tasks that require problem-solving. That wraps up our video on developing problem-solving and critical thinking skills in preschoolers. Remember, by fostering problem-solving abilities, encouraging critical thinking, engaging in hands-on activities, and connecting problem-solving to the real world, you can nurture your preschoolers' cognitive growth. Thank you for joining us on this cognitive journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore another fascinating aspect of early childhood development. Until then, keep encouraging problem-solving, nurturing critical thinking, and embracing the power of the preschool mind.